Stay sharp. Killer in the ice zone. Eyes on the water. Wait for my signal.
From Cameroon to the frozen lands of Antarctica, Director Chuzih takes on a challenge no one else could. A powerful machine that controls all technology in the world lies hidden there. Many directors tried to take it. Most failed. Some ran away. Now, with other directors from Cameroon, Director Chuzih must face the ice and his rivals. Will he succeed? Let's see if Director Chuzih can bring the machine back to Cameroon.
It's time for us to elevate our video directing to the next level. We are in this journey together. Let go. Director Chuzih, you are welcome. We have been waiting for you. Together we win this battle. Director Chuzih, Director King Stephens is right. Together we make it, but I have a plan. Director Chuzih, I believe this is the area where the machine is located. If that's where the machine is, we go. Many tried, but we'll bring it back. Cameroon will lead. You are right, Director Chuzih, but I'm afraid, are we even going to make it out of here alive? Funny, you've got the gun, but you're still scared. Remember where we come from. Fear doesn't define us. We came too far to turn back now. We weren't born to run, we were born to conquer. That's why Cameroon stands strong in Africa. This goes to all Cameroonian directors. Divided we fall, united we stand. I've learned today that unity and confidence are our strength. Those who came before us failed because they stood alone. Now you're talking like a man. Hold on to that courage. We move together and we finish this together. You did well today. We rest here tonight. Tomorrow morning, we continue the journey together. Okay, let's find a place to sleep and wait for tomorrow. Do you think they will survive? Yes or no? Watch it in the next episode.
I am Zoukiss, the Wickedest producer.